everyone, welcome to Theme Park Life. My name's MJ.
And I'm Claire.
And today we are at Winter Wonderland in Hyde Park, London. The aromas of sweet, delicious treats fill the air, and there is just a wonder of smells coming out. We're just walking into the Bavarian village, so through the archway. We've got pick and mix.
Well, you're hungry.
Breakfast.
So take your pick.
Yeah, I am hungry. We definitely need to get some foodstuffs. And there is Munich looping, aka Olympia looping. It'll be Claire's first ride.
Even on that one, I think that's the only ghost train we've done.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, we'll definitely do Demonarium. Yeah, we'll do that. I believe that's the largest travelling ghost train. But yeah, look at this. Awesome. That looks really cool. Wow, look at that. That is sick. You don't like the shoulders?
Really
oh, it's not that bad. Brilliant ride, excellent. What did you think, Claire?
Very good.
Very good. Wow.
I thought it was going to be rough and horrible, but it was fine.
No, it's...
Apart from the shoulder strain, I didn't like that. That was like really tight, like I couldn't move at all. I don't like being able to move.
Yeah, it's a 30-year-old ride now, and I think it's very smooth considering that. It's quite intense as well, so the fact that Claire enjoyed it, good. Yeah, the loops are just such a good inversion, and there's so few rides with multiple loops on, and so to have 5 is absolutely awesome. Loads and loads of fun. Really good. £9 per ride though. That's the only issue, I guess, but loaded in it. So no, joking. Not loaded. Bloody expensive and can't really do it again. So fine. We're now going to go on though. This one. Not sure how much this one is. Let's have a look. Oh, that was close. Here we go. Good. Fine, if anything. Probably another expensive one, but here we go. Oh, that guy's got a bit of a condition. I don't know, mate. No, I don't. Well, let's do it anyway. 6 tokens, fine, if anything. There's a spider. Omni-mover style attraction. Wow. Oh! yeah, as you saw, that was pretty good, I thought. Pretty decent. Few live actors in there, few chainsaws. You think we've done it before? I don't actually remember it, to be honest. Like, obviously we watch a lot of other theme park channels, like Theme Park Worldwide.
You filmed all our trips there?
Yes. I just don't remember doing it. Like, I'm sure I've seen a POV online, but anyway, yeah, very cool. And obviously this guy up here with his spiders, quite cool. Right, I reckon we're going to get some donuts. Oh, it's donut time. That's the, they're quite famous, aren't they? Oh, no. We're now going to go on the Euro coaster. So Euro coaster, that's what we've just done. What did you think, Claire?
I had to bang my head twice.
Yeah, it was fine. It was fine. I didn't actually find it rough, to be honest. Just like I was slipping out of my seat a bit, like my arse was like slipping forward because the restraint wasn't particularly tight. But no, I didn't find it rough. Just not that enjoyable. Just yeah. None of it was particularly forceful, really, and just all a bit meandering. Like, fine, it was good. Like nothing bad or good, really. Oh, so we're now in the sort of an additional food bit. And I basically just went into a food, not coma, but food. Like, oh, I've just seen food thing. Oh, carvery, that might be right. Yeah, definitely would like some food though. I like this hat. So, yeah, that's quite cool. We just had some donuts.
Can I get a cider?
Yeah, sure.
What?
No, just like I didn't really show any donuts, and then no, like, it's not your fault. It's my fault. I didn't get the camera out. So yeah. Claire would like some cider vibes. Some mule cider. Right, there is Dr. Archibald, Master of Time. Is well, I mean, the facade is absolutely amazing. And it is VR. Definitely, I think we're going to give that a try, Claire. I definitely want to do that. Even if it's not very good. Even if it's not very good, I'd like to experience like a travelling VR ride, and just I haven't done many VR experiences, so yeah, we'll definitely give that a go after we've enjoyed our cider. Or 3, 2, 1, go. Go is sort of like 0. Well, listen up, dickers, because I know you'll do this. Yeah, that's James Tricky, comedian, small-time comedian, with a very, very nice routine about how we all start. Our telephone number's 07. So your number starts oven.
Since I've heard that joke, I've been very conscious of the fact that I used to say, what was it?
Oh, listen up, dickers, because I know you'll do this. You'll start your telephone number with a lie. You'll say oh. I think it's I do try to say 0 instead of O, generally. I think the one place it is acceptable is the phone number. That fella there's got a big VR headset on. Thor's Tippy Bar. A bit too sweet. Right, we are looking for some caramelised nuts, so we're hopefully going to find these down here somewhere, because we haven't seen them yet. We walked around quite a fair bit of it. Nuts have been located, guys. Ooh, those you got hazelnuts, right? Nice. Yeah, cool. Look at this, guys. How's that for a Ferris wheel, right? They've also got here some sort of VR experience. Inverted reality. Come and take a walk on the ceiling. Very interesting. Cool. That's interesting, guys. Look at that. It's a small world adventure. The globe's quite impressive, actually. It's called It's a Small World. So yeah, it's obviously a rip-off of certain attractions you can find elsewhere, but that's all good, isn't it? Now, I wonder if that's new. I've never seen it before, and look, I don't recognise the ride type or anything. So yeah, that's interesting. Cool. This is an ice slide here. So look, as you see, you have to wear this helmet, and then you come whooshing down. Good. £5 to do that. Nice. Nice little slide vibes. Slide cred. It's one of my favourite looking travelling through rides there. I think it looks incredible. Sun coming through up there now. Oh, look at that. Lovely. Right, we're now going to circle back to Archibald's. Wow, just look at that. Dr. Archibald, Master of Time. Mad, mental, yeah, let's get on it. Definitely. Vibes in. Yeah, I've got £2, I think. Absolutely love the logo, the theming. Look at this theming, it's brilliant. Wow. Right, let's get on. Obviously I won't do an on-ride one with it. Oh, it's got proper theming. Proper theming, wow. Very cool. That is like a proper good theming. It's quite unexpected.
Have you ever used such VR goggles? Pull them over the head.
Oh, a nice little, how do I say, caution chance of wet feet. Someone's wibble. Here's the most fun bit. Now I'll give my thoughts on the ride outside. I wonder if this usually rotates or something. It looks like it usually rotates, doesn't it? Yeah, this bit's quite good. Nah, I'll be very interested to hear what Claire thought, because I think I had probably a unique problem with that. Not unique to me. Unique between Claire and I. Right, £9 each. What did you think, Claire?
Not worth £9.
Not worth £9. What was it? What was the image like for you?
Okay.
Was it blurry?
No, just I can make out what was on the screen. They never are crystal clear, are they?
Yeah. Well, they sometimes are. My issue was they made me take my glasses off, and well, first of all, I didn't realise that you wouldn't be able to wear your glasses, because all the VR I've done before, you've been able to wear your glasses. But okay, fine. Where you can't wear your glasses, you can adjust it so it's not blurry, and it didn't have any adjusters, so for me it was totally blurry. So I couldn't really see anything really. I saw a few of the set pieces like when I squinted, but and they were quite good. But yeah, it's £9.
I've gone on looping again.
It's looping, yeah. Right, good. Yeah, but yeah, I'm glad I've done it. That's that sort of thing, isn't it? Yeah. That's the last bit of our sausages. Probably going to head out shortly. Had a lovely little morning though. Very good. Very good, wasn't it, Claire? Yeah, good this year. A lot to do. Yeah, best trip. Through the Bavarian village we go with the large Bavarian man. Yeah, lovely. Nice little fire pits around this area as well. Smoky. Very good. Very enjoyable. Very feeling very festive. So we're coming out of Winter Wonderland now. Finished, done. Very enjoyable. Yeah, very good year I think I'd say, Claire.
Very good.
Best visit, yeah, we did plenty of rides this time. Had a few bits, yeah, ate some nice bits of food. We got like donuts, breakfast and caramelised nuts. We're now just going to nip to a few shops and then go home, I imagine.
Yeah, in time for Strictly.
Starting time for our Saturday night programming events. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time. Cheers.